Welcome to Learn Yourself. Exercise 11.3, question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is 15 meter per square. Now, understand this, that when we are talking about fence, boundary or edge, those numericals we are finding out circumference, but here we have to polish the table. So this area we are polishing, and for that we have to find out the area for table. This diameter, first we are going to find out the radius, then from radius we are going to find out area, and then last we will find out the cost of polishing a table. Here is 1.6 meter. Let us find out the radius. Radius equals to d by 2. So it is 1.6 divided by 2. So it is going to be 0.8 meter. Now let us find out the area. So area of tabletop is going to be pi r square. Pi is going to be 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8. So let us multiply this. That 314 is in multiplication with 64. So 0, 6, 4s are 24, 2 will be carry over, that is going to be 8, and 6 3s are 18. Now 4 into 4 is 16, 1 will be carry over, 4 1s are 4 and plus 1 is 5, 3 4s are 12. So we got here 6, then 9, 10, 1 will be carry over, again 10, 1 will be carry over, and 2. Now here how many decimal point we are going to count? So 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 4 decimal point. So let us start from 1's position. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2.0096 will be the area, and that is going to be 2.0096 meter square. Cost of polishing table. With this area you can directly multiply this cost, or you can find it via unitary method, that 1 meter square polishing cost is rupees 15. How many meter square we have here? So 2.0096 meter square we have here. So it is going to be 2.0096 into 15. So let us multiply this. It is in multiplication with 15. So 0, 6, 9, 0, 0 and 2. Since it is 1, we can copy this. Then 5. 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 carry over. 9 5s are 45 plus 3 48. 8 and 4 will be carry over, that will come down. 5 with 0 is 0, then again 10. So 0 here is 301440. Now how many decimal point are there? So there are 4. So let us count from 1's position. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is going to be 30.1440 rupees will be the cost for polishing this tabletop. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe. Learn Yourself.